There you see it, guys, our line. Hey guys, this is Mr. Greek 2002. Today I'm here in my MK7 Jetta, the white car. I have my Tennis Max in front of me here, and I'm on the Carista iOS app. I currently have the Carista dongle down there. You see that red light? It's plugged into the car in the ODB2 port. All right, we'll go ahead now and turn the ignition on. Power up the car. Wonderful. And here I wanted to show you guys the actual splash screen for the stereo. This is the 6.5-inch stereo because this is the base model Jetta S. It's a non-GLI. It's got the regular stereo basically. There's no GPS, just regular Apple CarPlay. All right. So in order to go there, I think we go to Instrument, Display. We'll go to Start Screen Logo, Infotainment, okay? I'm told this Type 6 one is actually the R logo. Here are the logos that come on corresponding to the type you select. So go ahead and save that for me. That's what I want, the R logo one, basically like an R line one. They have GTI, e-Golf, Hybrid, and there we go, guys. The red turned on by itself. Okay, it wasn't on before. And it's saying here Type 6. And there you see it, guys. R line. Wonderful.